Hello all, welcome back. Today's video is about a Twitter-like social network website in which users can do a couple of things which we can do in real-world social media platform. Here's the homepage, and I've logged in as Stephen Eric, and this is the page represented by this icon, which displays all the posts of this website in reverse chronological order. Each post includes username of the poster, when the post was created, the post content itself, and the number of loves. Well, let's create a new post by ourselves. So let's say this is a post for just demonstration. Alright, we have successfully posted. Now let's have a look at the profile of users. So let's begin with our own account. It's pretty simple. At the moment we can see the username of the account, the number of followings, and our own posts. By the way, please bear in mind that I follow 2 users at the moment. So what about visiting the profile of other users? So Toring. So here's everything is the same except this new follow button. Of course, by clicking it, we'll follow that user. So therefore his followers increases by 1, and also my following increases by 1 as well. But you know what? I hate him, so let me unfollow him. Alright, let's see what this icon does. In this following page, we'll see only the posts created by the users we've followed. Pretty straightforward, right? And the Rowan and Serena are the ones I followed in the first place. So alright, you know what? I didn't fit all the posts in this website into a single page. Instead, on any page that displays posts, namely home, profile, following, and saved, posts display 10 on a page. So since there are altogether over 30 posts for this home page, there's a pagination after the 10th post. We click this arrow to see the next 10 posts, and I click here. Yeah, you understand what's going on here, since these buttons are pretty self-explanatory. Well, you know what, user can also edit their own posts from here. So let's say this is an updated post. Now the post has been indeed updated. But have you noticed that the page wasn't reloaded, which means that I've implemented it in a way that it asynchronously let the server know to update the content using JavaScript. Yep, the same goes for this button. We can left the post and left the post without reloading the entire page. By the way, we can also save particular posts. So let's save this post and this post, and we can find them in this saved post page. If we don't want to save anymore, that's not a big deal. We can unsave it. Yep, and it's worth noting that this website is completely responsive, as you can see here. So, alright, finally let's quickly see how this website will look like unless the user is authenticated. So let's log out, and without logging in, the user will be only able to see home icon, and they will be only able to visit others' profile, but they cannot follow or give love. So alright, of course there are a lot of rooms to improvement in terms of UI UX designs and functionalities and features, but for this video, that's what it's all about.
Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. And you know what, I have a plan to upgrade this website, adding more functionalities, features, and improving UI UX design, so stay tuned for that. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel here, and please do check out my other video as well. So see you in the next video. Cheers.